Hi, my name is Fernandez-Cardenas and I'm going to talk about historic heroes of Carolina, Puerto Rico. My project over street art. Street art. Street art is one of the most hybrid forms of artistic expression in our modern world because its purpose is to draw upon what the viewers know and manipulate the physicality of the subject to make their point. A BBSP. National identity. National identity is a means by which culture is defined through these bounded essentialist notions of being. Being is linked to belonging in notions of citizenship. Street art in Puerto Rico. Street art in Puerto Rico is a form of artistic and creative expression, which leads to shared stories and spirits of events. It can be found in abandoned buildings, public housings, public squares, parks, and other places. And of course, art is a characteristic that Puerto Rico has. Art informs our way of expression and storytelling through what can be observed. For me, Puerto Rico, it's an island full of art. Uh, I refer to dances, to paints, to murals like this project, uh, like draws, like we are very we are very creative, and Puerto Ricans we identify a lot with art, and we always want to express our feelings, our emotions with art. This is the mural I choose. It's No Somos Molinos, No Somos Gigantes. It's a mural that the company did inspire in a speech that the old mayor of Carolina did. And I'm gonna explain later, but I want to present the mural. The mural is very long, like like you can see. Uh, and it represents very important people that became of Carolina, and we considered a heroic people. Okay, we are not white means we are giants. That's in the phrase of the mural. It's from Carolina, Puerto Rico. It was exposed in 2007, and the artists are Celso González y Roberto Biaggi. And like I said before, this piece is an inspiration from a famous speech of Mayor José Aponte de la Torre, and it represents and pays tribute to all famous and historic figures of the municipality, and also included a passage of character taken from the Don Quixote de la Mancha. The analysis. This mural also features the flag of Puerto Rico, the windmills, que son molinos, and the coat of arms of the town Carolina. The colors that are present in this mural is yellow, blue, brown, green, red, orange, white, cream, and black. Also, it's very colorful. And the mural is ceramic mosaic over concrete. That's what it says in the plaque, in the placa, in the information that they bring of this mural. The historical figures that are present in this mural are Roberto Alberti, Alfredo Escalera, Wilfredo Benítez, Roberto Sánchez, Julia de Burgos, Federico Cordero, Cecilia Horta, Guillermo Angulo, Jesús María, Santona, Fortuño, Vizcarrondo, Jesús de Piñero, Reverendo Félix Castro, Doña Juana A. Méndez, Carlos Hernández Rodríguez, Felipe Virriel, Roberto Clemente Walker y Don Quijote. Eh, there are very important people in this mural, but they are very re- famous people like Julia de Burgos, Roberto Clemente, eh, Felipe Virreal. Felipe Virreal it was the most tall man in Puerto Rico in 1954, and he was very famous because he was seven tall. Roberto Clemente, the baseball man, and Don Quixote. And we can see down here uh, some pictures and some of these historic figures. And also Jesus de Piñero was the first governor of Puerto Rico elected for the from the people. The purpose of this mural is to introduce us to the Carolina heroes who have put the people of Carolina, Puerto Rico at the top, to share the achievements of each one of us as Carolinians and how Carolinienses, and how these achievements make us proud every day. It's a very nice representation to represent the heroes, besides the fact that it's in a very visible area for the public and fulfills the objective that people can see it and learn about the message of this mural. And the conclusion is personally, I think it's very important to share this type of art. What it captures are stories, events or people who were important for our town. So it's very important to give honor to those who deserve it. In the end, it highlights the people and the historic heroes. In conclusion, I love to be able to share a mural which fills me with pride to know that there are many important people who taken of my town. And also, I want to say that I think that it's a great idea that the other towns of Puerto Rico do these murals to share with the people the the important people that came of that town. And this is the reference. And that we all. Thank you very much for your attention and hope you enjoy it.